Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and welcome to Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Would you believe me if I told you you could have a French toast breakfast in under 5 minutes? It's mess-free and all you need is a few ingredients, a mug, and a microwave. Today I am going to show you how to make mug French toast. This recipe comes from Monica Sweeney's Best Mug Cakes Ever. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you try it out. Let's see how to make it. Start off with 2 pieces of bread. Cut it into smaller cubes. If you are younger, since this requires a knife, ask an adult for help. You are then going to take just any microwave-safe mug. Add 1 egg. Add 4 tablespoons of milk or any dairy substitute. You will then add 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla and a dash of either cinnamon, nutmeg, or both. Stir this together well. You will then take your bread pieces from before and mix it all together. Make sure that all the bread pieces are nicely soaked. Then, put this in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. The mug will be hot when it is done. Make sure an adult takes it out and takes the proper precautions. You can then add lots of syrup. Enjoy your mug French toast!